Hey guys, today we'll be making reusable grocery bags out of old t-shirts for the less fortunate for our second block hands on Fluvanna activity.
Alright, and our first step is going to be cutting off the sleeves of the shirt. But make sure not to cut any farther than this. Don't cut off the hem of the shirt. You're just going to cut off both of the sleeves. And the second step is cutting off this part of the shirt, and you can cut it however big opening you want it to be because these parts are going to be the handles of the shirt. So, alright, and this is what you should have so far. Alright, and the third step will be, we will be cutting the ends of these like a thumb length. And we're just going to cut up about like that. And on the end, you're going to cut this in half, and you'll see why in the end. Now that we have all of these fringes on the end, we're going to flip the shirt inside out. Alright, so now we're going to be tying our fringes into double knots. This is what it should look like right now. And now we're just going to flip it over again. Bag. And now you have a nice bag.
Oh my goodness, that bag's so cute. Where'd you get it?
Oh my goodness, I made it.
For real?
Yes.
I want to make one now.
It's nice.